Slice manufactures several different styles of safety scissors, and we're going to take a look at each of those in this video. Our customers use scissors for all sorts of applications, so Slice manufactures several different styles of scissors, and I want to review each of them with you here now. Our latest scissor is our self-opening scissor, which, as the name suggests, self-opens. It comes with a convenient cap that goes on the back when not in use, and a lanyard hole. Very easy to use, like all of our scissors, very safe to the touch. We also manufacture a smaller pair with a rounded tip, like all of our scissors. Again, very safe. All the handles are made from durable glass-filled nylon and have comfort rubberized grips. Our pointed scissors are a little shorter on the nose for getting closer to what you're cutting, have the same durable glass-filled nylon handle and comfort grip, and again, very safe to the touch compared to regular scissors. And these blades will last you a very long time. And finally, we have our large scissor with an even larger handle grip, the same rubberized comfort interior, the same durable glass-filled nylon handle, and the same very safe zirconium oxide blades. These never rust. All of our blades never rust. They're chemically inert, very durable. They're designed to cut without being too sharp. They're very safe to the touch. They will maintain the sharpness level that we manufacture them at for a very long time. So if you need safe scissors that also look quite nice, come to Slice, check out our scissors. We have a great range of them for your safety and for your cutting enjoyment. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other videos for plenty of applications of safe cutting using Slice safety blades.